Huh? Change the idea. He must buy the idea of getting how much? 10,000, yes or no? So this guy must start believe that he is now getting 10,000, although he's not getting 10,000. He must start to perform an action not worth 2,000 but 10,000. Because when he perform at 10,000, he will surely get 10,000 ringgit. Yes or no? But the problem with human beings is that he's not getting 2,000, he wants 10,000. He says, give me 10,000 and I will perform 10,000 for you. Yes or no? And this is wrong because these are the steps. Step number 1, the idea. Step number 2, action. Step number 3, result. So before we get, we must do. Before we do, we must be. So the idea is be the person. Okay? Be the person you want to be. Be first. How I won my speech competition? 6 months before competition, I told myself I'm the 2002 Asia Pacific Speech Champion. It was not true. It was just an idea. I built the idea. I sold the idea to me. I bought the idea. And when I bought the idea, I did 10 rehearsals, 100 rehearsals, 500 rehearsals. And in the end, I got the result. So ladies and gentlemen, why did I do 500 rehearsals? Because I know that's the result I want. You see? Are you with me? Is there a guarantee? No, there is no guarantee. But there is an opportunity. Yes or no? There is no guarantee in life. There's only opportunity. Okay? Are we happy with this idea thing? Yes, I'm going to move aside and we will continue. Okay. So right now, let's move on. Okay. Now, I will give you some very simple comparison so that you know the difference between those who are top 5% and those who are bottom 95%. But if you ask me, Jackson, is everyone started with top 5%? No. Everyone start with ground floor. Yes or no? Everyone start with ground zero. Everyone start with nothing. You and I, and so with Nicole David and Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, and all these guys who are top 5%, they all start with nothing. But there's only one difference. They all started younger. They started sooner. They did more than everyone else. Michael Jordan had more training than everyone else. Michael Jackson had more training than everyone else. And all those people that are popular and famous, they had more training than everyone else sooner and earlier in their life. Read about the story of Michael Jackson. At 5 years old, he started learning how to sing, how to compose the song. At 10 years old, Michael Jackson could sing songs normally sang by people in the 30s and the 40s. That's Michael Jackson. That's how good he is. Look at Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan was also very good when he is in the 20s because he already learned everything he needed to learn. And he practiced more. And if you watch Michael Jordan on video, you could see that he actually could run on air. He could run on air. No matter 4, 5, 6 people guiding him, he can still twist his way and drop the ball and he can still put in the ball. Yes or no? That's how good he is. That's the extra 1%. So ladies and gentlemen, you do with me. For me to go to top 5%, I must do the extra 1%. Right now your extra 1% is to follow me. For me to go to top 5%, I must do the extra 1%. So what is the extra 1%? The extra 1% are the things which is not comfortable and the 95% are not interested to do. For example, coming for training on Sunday. I mean, if you go to Bandar Utama, you can have a nice shopping experience right now. Yes or no? Or you may be in Mid Valley, you can watch a movie. Yes or no? It's easy, comfortable, very relaxing. So doing what is comfortable is not the extra 1%. Doing what is not comfortable, like our friend Goose coming from Seremban, yes, it's extra 1%. And some of you, Ahmad just now, came from Shah Alam. Okay, that's extra 1%. Let's give them a big hand. Port Dickson, that's also extra 1%. Let's give it an extra. So ladies and gentlemen, those who are the top 5% that did the extra 1%, it is not comfortable, it is not easy, it's a lot of work. True? True. Okay, now These are the words used by the top 5% and the words used by the 95%. Say with me, top 5% do their best.
Top 5% do their best.
The bottom 95% try their best.
The bottom 95% try their best.
When we use the word try, we are already programmed our mind that we gonna fail. Yes or no?
Yes.
So anyone who say, I try to come lah, will they come? I try to call you. Did they call? No, they actually pressed your number, but they didn't press the dialing tone. Yes or no? Okay, they try to call you, right? They try to do anything. So when we use the word try, we program our mindset that we are going to end up into failures. Are you with me? Yes. Next, the top 5% are solution oriented. They look for solution. Do they have problems? Yes. Top 5% have more problems than 95%. Is it easy to be rich? No. Not easy. You will go through a series of problems, yes or no, before you become rich. You will go through a series of struggles before you become rich. So ladies and gentlemen, the top 5%, they focus on solution. Do with me, ladies and gentlemen. Put your thumb to the front here, and I want you to point to this word P. Alright? Sorry, maybe S, the word S. I want you to put your thumb here, right on the word S. So if you look at your thumb, if you focus on your thumb, is the word behind your thumb blur?
Yes.
Yes. What you see is your thumb, yes or no?
Yes.
And if you close one eye, you can see your thumb clearer than the word solution. Yes or no? If you open two eyes, you can see the thumb, but it's blurred, and you can also see the word solution. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, my point is this. This is your thumb. The thumb belongs to you. This is the problem belongs to you. The problem follow you everywhere you go. And if you look at the problem with one eye, you see this problem is big and it's in front of you and you can't solve it. You can't see the goal beyond the thumb. Yes or no? You can't see the goal beyond the problem because you only look at one with one eye. Now this is called looking at the problem from one angle. When you see one problem from one angle, you cannot see the solution. If you see the problem with a different angle, you may find the answer. Are you with me? Yes. So when we have problem, it's there to teach us something. We must see the problem from a different angle. So when you want to be in the top 5%, you have a problem, but you look at the problem from a different angle and you can see this problem is here to teach me something. So ladies and gentlemen, in life, we should be proud we have problems. The problems are here not to kill you, but to teach you and I something. Are you with me?
Yeah.
The problem with the 95%, when they have problems, they focus on a problem, they keep talking about a problem, and they forgot the solution. And when they don't learn from a different angle, what they do in life is they are going to repeat the problem and they continue to do the same problem over and over and over and over again until one day they learn from the problem. Are you with me? I met a lady who married 4 times and she divorced the 4 husbands, different husbands, 4 different times in her life. Maybe at the end she says, men are jerks, right? Alright? Men are useless. That's for her because 4 men already she married and all these men are useless. Alright? But that's her mindset. Are you with me? So until she get the lesson, otherwise if she married the 5th time, she may end into another divorce. Are you with me? Yes. Okay, can I move on?